My name is Eric Miller. My title is CEO and co-founder of Tourig. The real drive and motivation behind Tourig was to encourage the spirit of adventure.
My name is Paul Bulger, and I'm a co-founder and CPO of Tourig. Tourig products are known for quality, being innovative, striving for a long-lasting overland adventure vehicle. They're meant for doing adventurous things.
The challenge of building a Tourig is that it is a mobile environment.
Some of the characteristics we look at when building a Tourig is make a lightweight, durable product. Durability starts with using quality products. We use a lot of 3M masking and protective products in the preparation of our vans. So from 3M, we use quite a bit for masking off, protecting edges of final products we don't want to get damaged. For abrasion, holds up to moderate wear, as well as easy to pull at the end of the process, so we don't end up with a bunch of film or adhesive that is required for cleaning up. We also use for protecting when we're spraying inside vans, flooring and stuff that we don't want to get overspray on. So our final process of finishing the build of the vehicle is to test drive it, to check it for squeaks.
Your audio-visual, your family conversation should be what we're listening to. Maybe the road noise, the wind in your hair, but certainly not a cabinet or a bench squeaking in the vehicle. A lot of the 3M products, from our VHB, our dual lock, the hook and loop, allows for a very tight bond in a dynamic environment, where in some cases a true static fastener could create tension as the body moves, the product moves within it, and these 3M products help with that.
Well, mechanical fasteners vibrate out quite easily. The vehicles are twisting constantly, so you can end up with wall panels that loosen, cabinetry and stuff like that. So we're looking for ways to secure it, but also make it removable. By using 3M hook and loop and 3M dual lock, we're able to eliminate mechanical fasteners. 3M VHB tape, we probably first started using it when we wanted to go put the Tourig badge outside the vehicle without using mechanical fasteners and drilling into the side of a vehicle. We use it for electrical components, taping them to boards, temporary applications. It's just a good go-to. You need a quick bond on something. We use 3M extreme sealing tape on the outside of the vehicle. In the industry, the standard for vent installation usually is a finish coat of a lot of adhesives or self-leveling sealants. That product was shown to us from 3M in the tape division, so it's a perfect application to give a cleaner, quicker finish.
We were born to enhance or encourage the spirit of adventure, and we have an unrelenting obsession with creating the ultimate user experience. The 3M products, they're impeccable with bringing us that reliability, durability, dependability, day after day and year after year.